Hey guys, and welcome back to Amnesia: The Dark Descent. As I wait for it to load back where I was. Not 100%. Okay, pretty lady. I hope. Yeah. So it's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm not too keen about playing this. Shut up. I don't want to be found. Not by you. Now, I believe I was looking for just one more piece of the, Oh, here we go. That's a rug. That's a tinderbox. And that's a creature I don't want to mess with. Is there something I can light? Can I light you? Nope. Okay. Oh yeah. No. Ah, there we go. Shut up, bugs. I don't need to be afraid of you, too. Do 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 do. I hope that was just me. Please don't be up here. Yes, lady. I'm on my way. I hope the creature isn't here. Okay. Do do I need to set it off with something? Okay. Hello? Broom, are you here? I could really use you right now. All I keep finding are these barrels and... Stefano, I think his name was? Okay, you're just a random chest that I can pick up. Tinderbox, laudanum.
Why are you doing this? Get away from me!
Okay. I'm really low on oil. That's not good. Sorry about the lack of commentary, guys. It's just really late and this is just a little unnerving. I hope I don't run into any of the guys. And I hope my computer doesn't decide to go AWOL. Why is that door open? I'm gonna go past. Tinderbox. Yay! They are my best friend. Okay. Hello, light. Machine parts. Sounds just dandy. Okay. Another tinderbox. Jeez, there's a lot of barrels and stuff down here. The blood goes that way. I think I'll, Please don't hurt me. I'm not here. I'm just another barrel. Okay. I got lucky. Apparently not a lot of people do. Thank you. Boy, there's a lot of these cinder boxes. I'm not seeing anything else that I need to collect. Okay. I'm not liking this. I bet you people are just having the time of your life. It's, oh, ha ha ha. Hello. Meat. Why is there a little girl crying? Or a big girl crying? I don't like this. Oh, joy. Well, I did get to have dinner with my mother. It's quite fun. And something they put, both her and my stepfather pointed out, if I curse less, I might actually do better. So, I'm going to be trying to avoid that. Have I mentioned at all that I speak Spanish? I learned it a while back, but I don't really use it. No. Okay. I was not expecting that. There's a lot of gears. Looks like at one point someone got smashed by a gear. Okay. Nope, I don't need that. In case of a missing rod. If a full set of 3 rods is unavailable, there is 1 rod in the inner study rooms which might work in case the elevator breaks down again. Unless it is absolutely necessary, always use the spare rods in the storage before using a mended one. A mended one. 4-phase amplitude rod. Pretty seem. Hey, Tinderbox. Whatever you do, don't come back here. Are you gonna come in? You are ugly. Ah! Shoot! 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 No! Shift! Tab! Okay, that... Screw it. Bye-bye. 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 Screw this crap! No! 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 Ah! Friggin'! Friggin'! Screw this! Freaking darkness can act... Really? I was in darkness. Run, run away, oh run, run away. Screw you! Nothing can harm me. 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 Protect me, Rogue! Please! Those guys are ugly as... Get out! Oh, my sanity is doing lovely! Those guys are fugly. Really freaking ugly. That sound in my ear. Screw this! Bye-bye. Let me out of here! Okay. I should be safe. For the most part. Oh my. Yeah, about that. I think I'm done with this, area, so I'll just go ahead and leave. I don't ever want to come across that again.
You have an ascending room. Will it take us to the inner sanctum?
It will definitely take care of the vertical part of our journey. So, you have ridden an elevator before?
Yes, the Colosseum at Regent's Park has one. It takes you to the gallery where you can view the panorama.
Good. This ride might be a little longer, and in the other direction.
I assume by other direction you mean down? Perhaps? What's back here? The second game is called Machine for Pigs. Don't tell me I have to have that to continue. I'm gonna check out the elevator first. I mean, I assume considering I have the 3 fuel rod things that I need to fix the elevator, but one can never be too sure. And find a way to start the engine that powers the elevator. Of course. A whole nother section of the game to wander through. If you get some bruises, head is pounding and hands are shaky. Shut up. Oil. I was wondering if there was any oil behind the lion's butt. Dang it. Oh. I forgot I had that. So William Smith had been mocked. There was no way for him to know that the young man from the other day cast such a terrible shadow. I feel very unwelcome here.
July, 1839. Today I went to the university looking for answers. I was able to sneak into Herbert's office and pick up an address book along with some relevant textbooks. Professor Taylor at the Faculty of History was very
new
helpful,
computer
and I
screen.
managed to approach the subject of the orbs.
Newish.
The most interesting
That's why I got my
aspect
glasses on.
was the prevalent
There's
trace
very
they had
little
left
light
in our
reflecting off of
culture.
it.
The mythic orbs may, in fact, have inspired the globus cruciger, which so many royal regalia holds to this day. In ancient times, the orbs were held by priests as a symbol of the sun and its power. As I was leaving, I overheard a disturbing conversation. Sir William Smith, the geologist, was killed last night. Less than a fortnight had passed since I'd asked for his expertise. I know it's silly, but I can't help feeling responsible somehow.
Oh yeah, I'm getting caffeine. Caffeine late at night, horror game. Oh yeah, great combination, especially if you're trying for a heart attack. I can pick this up. I can throw it. With the greatest of ease. What am I, Macho Man Randy Savage? I can pick it up with the greatest of ease, for I am Macho Man.
Okay down there. Oh, this is lovely to watch. Just me,